Today I'm gonna show you how to create zoom in text bound effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go to the timeline. Here is a PNG file. I will create a text. I will write zoom. Then increase the font size and fix the alignment. Then we will go to effect control. Then increase the scale value 1200. Turn on the keyframe. Then go forward 5 frames. Then decrease the scale value 95%. And again go forward 5 frames. Then increase the scale value 100%. Then play the video. Then we will go effect control and copy the effect. After that we will paste it in the all text. Then type keyboard Ctrl V. Then play. We will reduce the duration of all effects. Then play the video. Thank you guys for watching the video.